Hello. The question is saying that from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of the elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let's draw the necessary diagram at first. This is base. This is 7-meter high building, and this is the tower, which is ED. Okay. Now we draw a perpendicular of ED from the point A, which intersect the line ED at C. Okay. Next, the angle of elevation is mentioned as 60 degree, and the angle of depression is mentioned as 30 degree. Now, from the rectangle ACDB, we get that AB equals to CD equals to 7 meter. Okay, so this is 7 meter. So we need to find out the rest of the length EC to find out the total length of the tower ED. Next, at first we need to find out the length AC to find out the total length of EC from the tangent 60 degree block. Okay. Now we proceed on from the triangle ACD. We get that AC by CD equals to cot 30 degree. You know that cot 30 degree is root 3. Okay. And CD is mentioned as 7 meter. Now we get that AC equals to CD into root 3, which is 7 root 3. Okay. Now we proceed to the next triangle ACE. Okay. From the triangle ACE, we get that EC by AC equals to tan 60 degree, which is again root 3. Okay. Now we have find out from here AC equals to 7 root 3. Now we are substituting the values here and get that EC equals to 7 root 3 into root 3, which is 7 into 3 equals to 21 meter. So the total length of the tower ED equals to EC plus CD equals to 7 root 3 plus 21 meter, and we are substituting the values of root 3 as 1.732 and calculating by this we get that 31.1 meter. I hope this answered your question. Thank you. Now the question is saying that a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surrounded by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of the hemisphere. If the radius or base of the cone is 21 cm and its volume is 2 by 3 of the volume of the hemisphere, calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. Now let's first draw the necessary diagram for this solution. This is the cone, right circular cone, and this is the hemisphere. Okay, this is the radius of the common base, and this is the height, and this is the slant height. Okay, here R is given as 21 centimeter. So now we can find out the volume of the hemisphere, which is given by this following formula. Half into 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know that the volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hemisphere will be the half of that portion. Okay. Substituting the value of r, we get next The question is saying that the volume of the cone is 2 by 3 of the volume of the hemisphere, which is V1. Now, we get the volume of the cone as given by the formula. Where r is the radius of the cone base and h is the height of the right circular cone. Now, here r is given as 21 centimeter and h is unknown. Now, equating the value of V2 and V1 as per the question, writing it here. Now from this equation we can get h by eliminating the common terms, and where h equals to 28 centimeter. Okay. Next, because of we need to find out the surface area of the right circular cone, we need to find out the slant height at first. Okay. So the slant height A is given by the formula a squared plus r squared, where h is the height of the cone and r is the radius of the base. And you know this formula comes from the Pythagoras theorem, which we already know that. Substituting the formula values here, rest you can find out from the slant height here. The surface area of the right circular cone is given by the formula pi r here. Calculating the result. Next, we are finding about the surface area of the hemisphere. We know that surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, and so the hemisphere, in the case of the hemisphere, that will be half of that. Okay, so next, we are finding the total surface area of the toy. S equals to S1 plus S2. From the previous section, we found that height of the right circular cone is 28 centimeters. I hope this answered your question. Thank you. Hello. The question is saying that prove the following: tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A equals to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Now writing down the left hand side here. Now multiplying both of the numerator and denominator by tan A, we get that. We are taking the common term minus 1 from the denominator of this term. Okay? And splitting writing cot A in terms of tan A, which is 1 by tan A into tan A minus 1. We all know that tan A cot A equals to 1. So writing down it here. Now subtracting it from it, we all know that the formula A2 minus B2 equals to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So writing the numerator in the given format, we get that now cancelling out the common terms from the numerator and denominator, we get that. Now we are splitting the terms. Now splitting the common terms. Now splitting the terms here. We all know that 1 by 10 equals to cot A. Now rearranging this term, which is equals to right hand side of the given equation. I hope this answered your question.